Hi, this is Farius, and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to explain outlines. If you've ever found yourself quickly starting projects, but having no sense of direction and quitting it afterwards, one of the causes might be that you don't have an outline. This writing tool is essential, I feel, because it helps keep a writer consistent and gives a sense of direction. Think of it like this. Imagine your favorite series, movie, game, or almost everything you enjoy. In almost all those cases, it was not made in one go without a plan. In outlines, writers and developers list things like what happens in the piece of media they make before starting the project itself. Let's say you're making a fantasy adventure story. What would you put in the outline? Well, good things to note down are the main cast, other essential characters, the world itself, what happens in each chapter. But the writer also needs to consider other aspects. What theme does the story follow? Is it about facing a tyrannical emperor and his henchmen by standing up for the average person and yourself? Is it about the danger of letting your emotions get the better of you in a bad situation, leading to one of the characters crossing a point of no return? Also think about how you'll integrate world building into the story. It's important to know at all times that the audience doesn't know everything you know. So presenting your story in a way the audience can understand is, I'd say, more important than the world itself. A cool story is awesome, but if the audience is lost and can't seem to understand what's going on, it might be best to write down how you'll present it. That's it for the video. If you have any suggestions for future videos, feel free to post a comment about it. Until next time!